Men may not always say what they truly desire, but their minds are wired to respond to certain subtle, almost irresistible moves. You might think attraction is all about looks, but psychology reveals that the most powerful triggers go far beyond appearance. The way you carry yourself, the energy you project, and the little things you do without even realizing it can make a man crave you on a deeper level. If you've ever wondered what makes a man completely drawn to a woman, stay with me, because today we're uncovering the seductive moves men secretly crave. Number 1, the art of extended eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most primal triggers of attraction. According to a Harvard study, gazing into someone's eyes for longer than 7 seconds creates a powerful emotional connection without even saying a word. How to use it? Hold his gaze just a second longer than usual. Try the triangle gaze. Look at one eye, then the other, and finally his lips. It's subtle, but activates the part of his brain that's linked to attraction. He might not even realize why he feels drawn to you, but he will. Number 2, dress in a flattering fashion. When you meet someone new, they're usually going to make a quick judgment based on how you look. If you're trying to catch a guy's eye, dressing in a way that flatters your body is key to grabbing his attention. Remember, confidence is everything. If you don't feel sexy, it's going to be tough for anyone else to see you that way. Find an outfit that makes you feel amazing. If dresses aren't your thing, no worries. A well-chosen casual outfit can be just as flattering and attractive. Not sure how to pick outfits that suit your shape? You can always ask a stylist for some advice. They can help you find clothes that highlight your best features and work with your frame. At the end of the day, it's about feeling good in what you're wearing. When you're comfortable and confident, it'll show, and that's what will really grab his attention. Number 3. The power of subtle physical touch. Humans are wired to crave touch. Even small moments of contact, like brushing his arm or letting your hands briefly touch, can create a powerful emotional bond. A study from the Touch Research Institute found that light physical touch increases oxytocin, the bonding hormone tied to emotional connection and desire. How to try it? Brush his arm when you laugh. Tap his shoulder to get his attention. Let your hands linger just a second longer when handing him something. These little moments might seem insignificant, but they leave a lasting impression. Number 4, flirt like a pro. Spark chemistry and keep him interested. Flirt. It's one of the best ways to spark interest when meeting a guy for the first time. A little playful flirtation can create some serious chemistry and keep things exciting. If you're at a bar, why not make the first move? Offer to buy him a drink. It's a smooth way to start the conversation. Be kind to the bartender and make sure to be friendly to any friends he might have with him. It's all about being approachable and showing respect. Then let your personality shine through with a bit of flirtation. Use your humor and your unique perspective to keep the vibe fun and lighthearted. Number 5, share your fantasies. Talking about your fantasies can be an exciting way to connect on a deeper level. You don't have to act on them, but opening up about those secret desires can really get the chemistry flowing and boost both of your sex drives. Start by sharing some scenes from movies or TV shows that turned you on. You might even consider watching these films together to turn up the heat and get both of you in the mood. Want to take it up a notch? Try playing a sexy version of Never Have I Ever. Take turns sharing something sexual you've never done, but have always been curious about. It's a playful way to build up the tension and create a natural segue into more physical connection. Number 6, add a little mystery. Here's the truth. Men love a little mystery. If everything about you is predictable or easily accessible, he might lose interest. A study from relationship science found that people who feel intrigued by someone think about them 28% more often. How to add mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. When he asks about your weekend, give a playful answer like, "It was interesting, I'll tell you about it later." This leaves him curious and wanting more. Number 7, the power of silence. Silence can be one of your most seductive tools. People are naturally uncomfortable with silence, and this discomfort draws them closer to you. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who embrace silence are perceived as more confident and mysterious, both of which fuel attraction. How to use it? When there's a pause in conversation, don't rush to fill it. Hold his gaze, smile softly, and let the moment linger. Number 8, appeal to his erogenous zones. Every guy has certain spots on his body that are extra sensitive to touch. These erogenous zones respond in a big way to the right kind of attention, whether it's a gentle caress, a kiss, or a playful lick. Start with his earlobes and neck. These areas are highly sensitive for both men and women. Light kisses, soft bites, or even a lingering touch can send electric vibes through his body. This can be a great way to build intimacy as you get closer. Another spot to try is the scalp. Men often have a highly charged response to a good scalp massage, so why not test the waters with a gentle rub to see if it gets him in the mood? Number 9, add a little mystery. Here's the truth. Men love a little mystery. If everything about you is predictable or easily accessible, he might lose interest. A study from relationship science found that people who feel intrigued by someone think about them 28% more often. How to add mystery? Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. When he asks about your weekend, give a playful answer like, "It was interesting. I'll tell you about it later." This leaves him curious and wanting more. Conclusion: remember, attraction starts with how you feel about yourself. When you dress in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable, it naturally radiates outward, drawing others to you. Whether you're rocking a casual look or dressing up for a special occasion, the key is to embrace your unique style and wear it with confidence. Feeling good in your clothes is the first step to making a lasting impression. So, next time you're getting ready, choose outfits that make you feel unstoppable, because when you feel sexy, you'll look sexy, and that's what truly catches a man's attention. Now imagine being the woman who isn't just noticed, but unforgettable. It's not about changing who you are, it's about using your natural charm in ways that spark emotional connections and leave him craving more. See you in the next video, and remember, you've got this.